This practical demonstration will show you how to separate a mixture into its components using paper chromatography. Now let's take a look at the materials needed. You need 3 markers or 2 markers. You need 3 bamboo sticks, a stapler, filter paper, water, a ruler, a pencil and a beaker. So what you do is you take the filter paper and lay it flat on a clean surface. Using a pencil, draw a horizontal line approximately 2 centimeters from the bottom of the filter paper. And then you can repeat the same step 2 centimeters from the top of the paper. Next, we will prepare the paper for the chromatography process. So we staple the top of the filter paper to the bamboo sticks to create a support structure. The bamboo sticks will rest across the top of the beaker, preventing the paper from falling in. Now we are going to apply the samples. So using the markers, place a small dot of each color on the pencil line at the bottom. Ensure that the dots are evenly spaced apart and not too close to the edges of the paper. So the beaker must be filled with water until the depth is about 1 centimeter. The water should not touch the ink dots, but should be close enough to allow capillary action to pull the water up the paper. Now carefully place the filter paper into the beaker, ensuring that the bottom of the paper is in contact with the water. Now we are going to wait until the water reaches the top pencil line. As the water moves up the paper, it will carry the ink pigments with it, separating the mixture into its different components. So once the water reaches the top pencil line, carefully remove the paper from the beaker and lay it flat. Observe the different colors that have separated. Take note of how the colors have moved and spread across the filter paper. So this is how we can use paper chromatography to separate a mixture into its components.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.